Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your social media with Facebook settings, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start securing your social media on Facebook, log into your account. Navigate to the top right corner and click on the downward facing arrow. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. Next, click on Settings. In the left sidebar, choose Friends or Only Me to limit visibility. Scroll down to Who can send you friend requests. Select Friends of Friends for an extra layer of security. Next, go to the Timeline and Tagging section in the left sidebar. Here, adjust who can post on your timeline. Consider setting this to Only Me for more control. Continue by reviewing the tagging options. Change the setting to enable for tag review. Now, navigate to the Security and Login section. Check for two-factor authentication and click Edit. Enable this feature to add an extra layer of security. Next, review where you're logged in to identify all active sessions. Log out of any unfamiliar devices or locations. Return to the main settings page and choose Apps and Websites. Remove any apps that you no longer use or trust. Go to the Ads section in the left sidebar. Adjust your ad preferences to limit the information used. Lastly, consider reviewing your profile and removing unnecessary personal information. Taking these steps will enhance your Facebook security. Regularly revisit these settings to ensure ongoing protection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.